Hello, hello. We are going to dive into how to create a rebooking automation when someone either no shows or cancels an appointment, doesn't have something on the calendar. So, what we're going to do here is we're in our calendars area. What a lot of people don't realize is that we can come into this area and actually choose the status of the appointment and kind of how it went. So, we could choose canceled if we don't already have something for canceled, showed, no show, invalid, or unconfirmed. So what we're going to do is that if I go ahead and hit no show here, this is going to fire off an automation that's going to prompt me to rebook. So here's how we're going to set that up. Don't want to do a survey right now. Okay, so inside of our automation, this is going to be probably the easiest automation you're ever going to set up. We're going to do an appointment status trigger. And then we're just going to go ahead and filter for a normal event type in whichever calendar that we want to use. And then we're going to have the appointment as a no-show. If you want this to apply to all of your call calendars, you can just eliminate this in calendar filter. But we do want to make sure our appointment is a no-show. We can also take it a step further. And if we want to go ahead and add another trigger, we could go ahead and add a secondary appointment status and make that a event type normal appointment status is canceled. We already have something for this, so we're not going to do that. But then all you really have to do is send out an email, and then we're going to add an SMS in here later that says, hey, so sorry we missed you. And then we have a template for reschedule. And it's just going to prompt them back to our booking link. It literally says something like, hey, just grab another time that works better right here. And that is literally all you have to do. Again, if you want to take it even further, here's what we can do. We can do a wait step. So let's say we wait for two days. And then we can go ahead and actually, let's go ahead and do a goal. Appointment status and call calendar is confirmed. So we're going to add a goal in here so that when their appointment is confirmed, it stops the workflow. Because what we don't want to happen is send them another follow-up if they already rescheduled from this initial email. Then I'm just going to go ahead and add, this is actually where I'll add my SMS. I don't have a template in here, so we're just going to say, hey, first name does that to me all the time. Okay, first name, Carlene Siri. Her with the funnel, file clippers. We missed our appointment with you and wanted to link. Choose a time that worked. We missed. Connecting. Thing that worked better. And then I would just go ahead and add like our booking link in here. .com/that. Okay, so maybe something like that. This I'm not actually going to keep because that was not the greatest SMS, but you kind of get the gist. And this is essentially just going to allow you to create a follow-up sequence however long you want until they do go ahead and rebook. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, let us know.